Last year never gone well. New year I still can't tell.
Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, another day, another vlog. Start off the vlog like this, mid-evening. So if you tell me that I'm not sleep from last night, you watch a vlog there? Me not sleep. Me edit the vlog and me edit the movie. Me not done edit the movie. I'm tired. I'm gonna take a break. Me up from 4 and now at 4 in the evening. You think I lie? See that? Siri, Alexa, what time is it?
The time is 4:47 p.m.
Me nah cap. Sleep a beat me, but me can't sleep right now. You don't know why. If you go to barber shop, me no go. What me I go do right now? I make some tea and my girlfriend soon forward from work. She call me and tell me go sleep. Me tired this and that. Me go faint. Me not like when people are not me go foolish. Me go take a break right now. But me 68% finish I know at 4 o'clock on the Thursday when me say me I go drop this. Eventually, you know, look like me I go drop it 4 o'clock to the Thursday. Because it's 4 o'clock gone already. But I probably drop it tomorrow for sure. Still I go see how the night go on. But I feel like I want to drop it tomorrow still. I think I'm going to drop it tomorrow. Friday, yeah, I think I'm going to drop it tomorrow. I'm going to just done it tonight for sure. Go sleep. And then tomorrow, I'm going to get it, you see me? Because if me there and edit it the whole day, I'm not going to get no vlog. Because right now, I choose me stop edit. Me say me turn on the camera for vlog. Sleep a beat, me man. But we're going to go and do it for you vlog. I probably make me and my girl cook something today and put it on the vlog, you see me? I did forget up on the road. I don't know if I still a go. Yeah man, so me I deal with it. Yo, I want to sleep, yo, fuck. Vlog well. So me not care. She never have to come in and care. She just want to dinner with me. So, I'm still not sleep. But this 85% done.
It gotta be more than that, 90%.
I want to make some tweaking, so I'm going to officially upload it tomorrow. You see me? So I get to drop it Thursday. And I get it tomorrow. And yeah, I want to sleep a fuck. I don't know if I'm not going to get the vlog. Probably gonna get a vlog. If you not watch it, you don't get a vlog, yeah man. I'm gonna eat some food and go on my bed. Tired. So we're gonna go in. Come out up on yourself. And thing. Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, another day, another vlog. Me officially out of the house. And today, me and my girlfriend, we're at my favorite place in this whole wide world, this nature trail. We are go up on the lake, go boat sailing, you see me? We are go get a little kayak, and we are go out on the water. And I forward with me, you see me? This is like a little meditation, one with nature. Hello. Hello. One with nature time. So me and I go right now. We have a kayak, them are wait, and I bring them up on the water here. I think someone don't know over here, so. But yes, I want to spot them when I come for skate. It's a really nice spot. Oh, the tree juke me in my face, in my head. You see this water? Crocodile is in it. Let's go. So guys, I'm sad. We'll actually come out here and everything closed today.
We have a tour tonight you guys can go on, but it's $35 per person.
A tour? On the lake?
Yeah, it's kayaking, but somebody takes you out, tells you about the lake and everything, and then brings you back. It's an hour paddle.
Oh, but when is that? The night? In the night?
It's at 5 o'clock.
What time now?
3:48.
Ooh.
That's the only thing I can do for you guys. Other than that, I can't.
We end up a leave, and while we are leave, I'm just taking a stroll through the park, you know. We're gonna go by the lake. Not the lake, I go by the waterfront. Oh, I just cut my hair for those who say, oh, I look so fresh. You know, my girlfriend love it. Huh? And my beard, I cut down my beard. My girlfriend just love me. She was pulling off my shirt just now. I had to tell her, Bill, I'm vlogging. You know, every time I get a fresh cut, she go crazy for me. Lock off them old people music there.
Why are you capping? You was just singing this.
Darling, you send me. So, ladies and gentlemen, we're in the park still. We pulled over. I'm in the back seat of the car. Look how the car big.
It's $153,000.
That's a lot.
$130.
Look how the car big. We just sit around here and relax. We just drop them seat there. I force me to come around and say, you know. Me not come around and say, you know. Some white spray. Perfect color. Me gonna spray one table me did have. Still I gotta do it because this no use it. Yeah man. But we there do it for vlog. And as me say, we there park. Let me jump out and show you. Yeah, if me want to pull over and sleep on the road, me can pull over and sleep on the road like that. One queen size bed can hold in this ass. But we are going to the park, you know. Ooh, it looks so pretty out here. We are going to the park. So I'm going to go and join the video as we do it for the vlog. You see me? Come on, mama.
Oh, we're here?
We're going to the meditation bench. It's over there. She's vlogging too. That's so cute. She's shy, but she's learning how to vlog, you know. She's never gonna post them, but she's just vlogging for memories, you know.
How you know I'm not gonna post it?
You gonna post it? Oh, I'm proud of you, baby. You coming out your shell.
Let's go over there.
The meditation one.
It's over there. Pick one. Some of these are dedicated to people.
Yeah, grave.
Not a grave, just dedicated to them.
They don't sell a soul fancy don't find that.
No, I read it. I read it. That's why I didn't walk through it before I read it. Ooh, I want one of these in my backyard. What is this? I'll sit under here. On this side. Your face is gonna be in it. No?
What we are doing?
Meditate.
You have vlog too?
Yes.
You can send me them footage.
Okay.
What we are doing?
We're meditating.
Meditate?
Oh my god, I thought the string on my pants was a bug.
Yo, so vlogger. I reach home, right? And it didn't never go as planned, so it's kind of bummer. But we got some packages. You see me? Some of the things them forward where I tell me say we did order. I don't know how I want this forward, but we are gonna find out right now. We are opening up on the camera. Because I should have do all of that when we get the computer and the camera. But let me see this. But
That's not for that.
I know, baby. Just let me tear the box.
It's not the same thing.
So guess what she gonna do? Alright, so me just come from barber shop. Remember me I tell you from early in the vlog. She have her license for barbering and all of them foolishness. She want to snip up my beard because she say the barber no snip it up right. But when I think me if you do it leaving I come in, boy by the time when I do it, we probably make she do it already. I make she level it for me and see how it turn out. If she mess up me or my beard, me just cut it off. How the ass box I open? Alright, so we're gonna see what's in this box. I think this is a slider. It is. So this is a slider. You know what's a slider, guys? A slider is the thing you put the camera on and you can move it back and forth slow like that. You see me? So I'm gonna get some nice shot with this shit right here. I forgot how much this was, but I don't remember. Ooh. It's heavy. So I want to use it so bad. So you know my priority. I want to shoot. So, alright, you see that little plate here glide? So, no, wait, though, you see me? Yeah! I can mash up the game with this. Alright, it come with little tools and all of that. So, we have this. I like that little bag here where it coming, I'm not lie. I'm gonna start to do some more unboxing. I like it. When I'm going on shoots, me have it with me, you know? I'm gonna start doing some unboxing. I kinda like doing unboxing. So this I wanna have something. We'll forget 2 more packages. But
One more.
One more? The wireless mic? So then we have the stand. Why the stand then would have come in at this though?
I don't remember which one is delivered, but one of them didn't come. No, they all came, but one of them is in the box.
Okay.
The mailbox.
In our mailbox. Alright, so we have opened this. I don't remember all of this.
Oh.
Yeah, stand, yeah.
Those are tiny.
Damn.
I
think I bought the wrong shit. Oh no, they can't work. So I'm gonna get a couple light stand, you see me? Just a light portable stand. But them look small. Let me see what all them got. I think they're small. Or this probably pop up. Let's see. Oh, okay, thank you. I know. I did know,
I know you know.
I did know. I did know, see there. Alright, so I got some boom pan the ground. And then... Yeah man, this can't go up. Oh yeah, that's only one level go.
Damn.
Damn, when me freak me, I do with them out.
No lights. You gotta put it on the table.
I'm bending. Well, then I go come in, Andy.
At least it won't be on the floor.
Yeah. Yeah.
Or you can get another.
Me add a chair them, I think say the good size on them. I get the miniature one. Thanks, Amazon. Well, I'm my mistake still. When me did really excited about was the wireless headphone.
Mike.
You find the key?
No, it's in one of those bags.
So we're going back over there tonight. We're going for a drive. We're going for a drive because I want to go pick up something real quick. So we got 3 of them. And she's going to do my face. And then she's going to shape up my beard. And I'm going to show her. You see me? This is me and her. Today me and her spend the day. You enjoyed it? She didn't have work and shit. So I met me and her go run some errands and do some things. So listen to that, babe. And y'all journey with us, you see me? Me did carry her upon the lake. Just some spontaneous shit. She did excited about that me too. But it never fall through. Probably try again tomorrow though.
Yeah.
We're gonna try again tomorrow. I'll see. You alright?
You alright?
But stay tuned. When she don't line up this, oh God, do not pray for me. I go forward back. So vlog girl, this is a finished product. I got my bed now, late in the night, and we watch an African movie. So now you hear that in the background. But this is a finished product. She didn't want to cut on more, but we never want to go no deeper. But tomorrow you can see it more. I call it tonight, I got my bed. I'm really tired. So, lead free vlog. Yeah, in it. Okay, nothing. Alright guys.
Me I try to elevate. Me really want to elevate up. Me I try to elevate. Me know me I go elevate up.